Who's really surprised that the rand is supposed to be 7 rand 40 compared to the dollar, but right now we are on 18 rand something compared to the dollar. And obviously it means when an American comes to South Africa, they're just looting everything. And that's the thing, neo-colonialism. They knew what they were doing: inflation, trade deals, making sure that we are oppressed. They're giving us aid but taking more. Even the dollar, the currencies, is just a whole big scam. But we are going along with it because we don't have a choice, basically, because I assume that we don't own most of our economy or any. Apparently the theories will say that we report to England, so most of our taxes, they go to England. This is just a theory, by the way. I'm not really confirming anything. That's Zero's department. He talks about such things. England, we are paying fealty to England. Every president in South Africa goes to England. But it's not really that shocking, right? If you know economics, you'd know this was bound to happen, and it has been happening. Rand manipulation and everything, government corruption. If you mean I mean, even government corruption, I think, is designed, because government corruption, who, like, among society, amongst ourselves, doesn't want to see their country doing well and making sure that everyone is right? There's so much money in government. It's so unnecessary for these guys to loot government's money, but they're doing it. It's by design. Having leaders that won't help us and they're just looting the money is part of the design of the system. So I guess at the end of the day is that. And if we actually check the figures of the dollar versus the rand, pre 1994 it was something different, but after 2011 it has been on a sharp decline, especially 2020. So yeah, man, our economist needs to do something. Our reserve bank, do we even own our reserve bank at this point? Because, man, things are really, really bad.